Hello student, in this video we are going to learn Thevenin's theorem. So what is the statement of Thevenin's theorem? Any two terminal of a network can be replaced by equivalent voltage source and equivalent series resistance. The voltage source is a voltage across the two terminal with a load if any removed. The series resistance is the resistance of a network measured between two terminal with load removed, and constant voltage source and current sources are represented by their internal resistance. So what is meaning of Thevenin's statement? Any complicated network which has many sources, voltage sources and current sources and many resistance can be replaced by a single voltage source, and that voltage source is called as a VTH, Thevenin's voltage, and single resistance which is connected in series with the VTH, it is called as a RTH, that is the Thevenin's resistance. So it is the total resistance of a circuit when voltage source and current source are represented by their internal resistance. So this is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit, VTH in series with the RTH. And after that, at point A and B, load is connected and this is called as a RL, and current through this RL is called as a IL, load current. So what are the steps to solve the example by a Thevenin's theorem? So steps to solve Thevenin's theorem. First is remove the load resistance through which we have to find the current. Second, find the open circuit voltage, that is called as a VTH, Thevenin's voltage, across removed load resistance. Consider point A and B. Third, find the resistance RTH, Thevenin's resistance, as seen from point A and B with voltage and current sources are replaced by internal resistance. And fourth is replace the network by voltage source VTH in series with resistance RTH. Fifth is find the current through RL using Ohm's law, that is IL equal to VTH upon RTH plus RL. So if circuit is given like this is the voltage, we have to find current through RL. We have to first remove this RL. At this point A and B we have to find VTH. So it is voltage, this is R1, R2, V, this is R3, and at this point A and B we have to find VTH after removing the RL. Now to find the RTH, Thevenin's resistance, we have to represent this voltage source by the internal resistance. Consider this voltage source is ideal voltage source. So ideal voltage source has a zero resistance. Short this voltage source, and at this point A and B we have to find RTH. And now after finding the RTH and VTH, we have to simplify this circuit as voltage source VTH in series with the equivalent resistance RTH, and now at point A and B we have to connect RL, load resistance, and from this we have to find the current IL by a Ohm's law. RL is by this equation, Ohm's law, VTh upon RTh plus RL. So these are the some steps that we have to follow to solve the example by a Thevenin's theorem. And we have to note this point, Thevenin's theorem is called as circuit reduction theorem. That means by using the Thevenin's theorem, we can reduce the circuit into a one voltage source, it is VTh, and one resistance, it is called as a RTh. Thank you.